Information that can save your computer's life. Importance of antivirus. You keep hearing there are all these scary things to avoid while being online. There are so many confusing topics and just a lot of noise out there about what you should be doing and shouldn't be doing. You get to the point where it's easier to just not go online. You ask yourself, what sites should I go on, which ones do I avoid, what emails can I open, and can I download anything or not? These are some of the questions you should be asking yourself and become aware of. Why is this important? The bottom line is the internet is an amazing utility to use in your daily life to connect with friends and family, do some shopping, and get work done much faster. Just as there are scams you need to be aware of in your daily life, you need to be aware online. Unfortunately, when you are online, you can't see what sites and programs you can trust or not trust. It's not as easy as your wallet was stolen, so you can easily call and cancel your credit cards. But if you are going to use the online world, which it's a great tool and you should, like everything else, you need to protect your information. You don't leave your personal information out for anyone to see and pick up in your daily life, and you need to learn how to not do that while you are online. With these few steps you can be relatively safe. Just as when you are in the real world, you need to always be aware and cautious. Never give out your passwords or PIN numbers, no matter who asks for it, do not give it out. Almost all legitimate sites will never ask you for that information. If you lose your password, there are ways for you to change it yourself. If someone offers to change it for you, say no. A good tip is to change your password periodically and don't use your home address or birth dates, as that information may be easily obtainable by predators. You can be confident that you are the only one that knows it. Unfortunately, over the past few years it's become increasingly dangerous to download anything online. Once a malicious program gets onto your computer, it can be a great annoyance factor and harmful to your personal information. Companies that offer a free download of their product you should be wary of. Do a gut check as to whether you can trust them. Also have common sense. Most things in life are never completely free. At the end of the day, you should act online how you act in your daily life. Always use common sense. If something looks odd to you, then take an extra minute to check it out. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Antivirus protects your computer, there is no doubt about that. Online scammers prey on people who are not aware, often in a rush, and most of all gullible.